Struggling with low ad revenue? You're not alone. It's a jungle out there, and figuring out how to turn those eyeballs into actual dollars can feel impossible. I'm Leroy A. Brown, and I'm all about giving you the real talk, the actionable steps, the no BS strategies to win in this game. We're going to break down the barriers, unlock that revenue potential you know is there, and get you seeing those numbers climb. Let's go. Look, let's be honest, navigating the world of ad revenue can feel like you're trying to learn a new language while being blindfolded. CPMs, CPCs, CTRs, it's enough to make your head spin. And everyone's got an opinion, a guaranteed strategy, a magic bullet that's supposed to solve all your problems. But the truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one person might completely tank for another. It's about understanding the fundamentals, putting in the work, and constantly adapting to the ever-changing landscape of the internet. We're diving deep into the strategies that actually move the needle, the ones that are going to help you build a sustainable, profitable online business. Are you ready to roll up your sleeves and get to work? Let's go. Listen, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Building a successful online business takes hustle, it takes grit, it takes a willingness to learn and adapt. But the good news is, it's completely doable. You don't need a fancy degree or $1 million budget. What you need is the right information, the right mindset, and the willingness to put in the work. And that's what I'm here to give you. Over the years, I've seen it all, done it all, and learned a thing or two about what works and what doesn't. I've seen people go from zero to hero, from struggling to make ends meet to generating life-changing income online. They learn, they adapt, they keep pushing forward. So if you're ready to ditch the frustration and step into your full earning potential, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Look, I get it. You're a go-getter, a self-starter, you like to figure things out on your own, and that's awesome. But sometimes even the most driven entrepreneurs need a little help. That's where bringing in a professional can be a game changer. Now, I'm not saying you need to go out and hire a whole team tomorrow, but if you're feeling stuck, if you're not seeing the results you want, it might be time to consider bringing in some expert guidance. Think of it like this. You wouldn't try to fix your car engine if you didn't know anything about mechanics, right? You take it to a professional who has the knowledge and experience to get the job done right. A good consultant or coach can help you identify areas for improvement, develop a winning strategy, and take your ad revenue to the next level. Content is king, but variety is queen. You've heard it a million times, content is king, and it's true. Creating high-quality content is essential for attracting and engaging your audience. But here's the thing, content isn't just about writing blog posts, it's about diversifying your approach and giving your audience what they crave. People consume content in so many different ways these days. Some people love reading long-form articles, while others prefer watching short, snappy videos. Some people are podcast junkies, while others get their information from interactive forums. The key is to meet your audience where they are. Experiment with different content formats and see what resonates best. By providing a variety of content formats, you'll keep your audience engaged, attract a wider range of people, and create more opportunities for ad revenue generation. Give away the farm? Well, not really, but offer something valuable for free. The idea of giving something away for free might seem counterintuitive when you're trying to make money, but trust me on this one, offering a valuable freebie is one of the most effective ways to attract new visitors, grow your email list, and ultimately boost your ad revenue. People love free stuff. But it's not just about giving away something for the sake of it. Your freebie needs to be something genuinely valuable that your target audience will find useful and engaging. This could be an ebook, a checklist, a template, a webinar recording, or even access to an exclusive content library. The key is to offer something that solves a problem, provides value, and positions you as an authority in your niche. Not all niches are created equal. Choose wisely. Here's the deal. Some industries are just naturally more lucrative when it comes to ad revenue. And if you're serious about maximizing your earnings, you need to be strategic about the niches you target. Now, I'm not saying you should abandon your passions if they fall outside of these high-paying niches. But if you're just starting out or looking to diversify your income streams, it's smart to consider niches with high CPMs, cost per 1,000 impressions, and CPCs, cost per click. Some of the most profitable niches include insurance, online education, marketing, legal, cryptocurrency, online banking, internet and technology, car industry, e-commerce, health and wellness. Let's be real. Ad blockers are a pain in the you-know-what. People use them to avoid annoying or intrusive ads, which is understandable. But for content creators like us, they can put a serious dent in our ad revenue. So what can we do about it? First, we need to acknowledge that some people will always use ad blockers, and that's okay. We can't force people to view our ads, but we can encourage those who find our content valuable to consider whitelisting our website or disabling their ad blocker while they're browsing. One way to do this is to simply ask. Add a polite message at the beginning or end of your content explaining that ads help support your work and asking viewers to consider disabling their ad blocker if they're enjoying the content. It might seem counterintuitive, but bombarding your visitors with a ton of ads isn't always the best strategy for maximizing revenue. In fact, it can actually have the opposite effect. Have you ever visited a website that was so cluttered with ads that you could barely find the actual content? What did you do? You probably clicked away as fast as you could, right? That's why it's crucial to find the sweet spot between displaying enough ads to generate revenue without sacrificing user experience. This means experimenting with different ad placements, ad formats, and ad densities to see what works best for your audience and your website. We live in a data-driven world, people. And if you're not tracking your ad performance, you're flying blind. You need to know what's working, what's not, and where you can make adjustments to improve your results. Thankfully, there are tons of tools available to help you monitor your ad revenue and track key metrics. Google Analytics is a great place to start, offering a wealth of information about your website traffic, audience demographics, and ad performance. Pay close attention to metrics like click-through rate, CTR, and conversion rate. Flexibility is key. Explore different pricing models. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ad pricing models to find what works best for your business. There are a few common models to consider. Cost per 1,000 impressions, or CPM. You get paid a fixed amount for every 1,000 times your ad is displayed. Cost per click, or CPC. You get paid each time someone clicks on your ad. Cost per action, or CPA. You get paid when someone takes a specific action, like making a purchase or filling out a form. Flexibility is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your ad types. Just like you don't want to rely on a single traffic source, you also don't want to limit yourself to just one type of ad. There are tons of different ad formats out there, each with its own pros and cons. Use these sparingly. Location, location, location. The importance of ad placement. Where you place your ads on your website can have a huge impact on their visibility and click-through rates. Here are a few tips for strategic ad placement. Above the fold. This is the portion of your web page that's visible without scrolling. Placing ads above the fold ensures they're seen by as many visitors as possible. Embedding ads within your content, especially near high traffic areas like the beginning or end of an article, can be very effective. Sidebars are a prime location for displaying ads, as they're typically visible throughout a visitor's browsing session. Speed demons only. Optimize your website for lightning-fast loading times. In today's fast-paced digital world, nobody has time to waste waiting for slow websites to load. If your website takes forever to load, visitors will bounce before they even have a chance to see your ads. Here are a few tips for speeding up your website. Optimize your images. Large image files can significantly slow down your website. Use image compression tools to reduce file sizes without sacrificing quality. Choose a fast web host. Your web hosting provider can have a big impact on your website's loading times. Invest in a reputable host with a proven track record of speed and reliability. Minify your code. This involves removing unnecessary characters from your website's code, making it leaner and faster to load. Now go crush it. There you have it, folks. We've covered a ton of ground today. and I hope you're feeling fired up and ready to take your ad revenue to the next level. Remember, building a successful online business takes time, effort, and a willingness to constantly learn and adapt. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more actionable tips and strategies to help you win online. Also, you may follow me at leroyabrown.ka. Now go out there and crush it.